how to use these Kesguar N4 hand warmers. They're really nice because you have the hand warmer, but they also come with this charging case. So if you're going somewhere where you don't have access to a plug to charge, you can put them in the case and you can get something like up to like 60 hours of heating by charging them in the case. You know, you use them for a couple hours and you put them back in the case. But anyways, so the way we're going to use these is, first of all, we're going to take them out of the case. And we are just going to, this is all we have here is this power button and then these 3 indicator lights. And we're going to do everything with that. So we're just going to press and hold to turn it on. We just press, hold, press, hold, press, hold. You can see that one light comes on. And that means that it's heating now at its lowest level. And I can already feel it warming up right now. And then if I want more heat, I just hit this power button one more time. Just click it now. And I get 2 lights. And that's a medium heat. And then I click it again. And I get full heat. Or I can go, if I click it again, I go back to 1. And then to turn it off, I'm just going to press and hold it until the light turns off. Now, to charge it, first of all, if you want to know how charged it is, all you need to do is double click on this button. So if I just double click here, I'll get a blue light. And so right now I'm getting 3 lights, which means that it's basically between 2/3 and fully charged. Basically, 1 light means it's between 0 and a 1/3 charge. 2 lights between 1/3 and 2/3 charge. And then between 2/3 and fully charged, you'll get 3 lights. And then all I need to do to charge them is put them back in the case. And this light will automatically, this charge light will automatically start blinking, indicating that it's charging. The only reason that these lights are not on right now is because these are fully charged. So once they're fully charged, they'll stop charging and the light will go out. So once the light is out and they're in here, you know that they are fully charged. And then I have the power button here. I can turn it on and off here, and I can actually see the lights in here. This will actually show me. So these are the lights that will indicate the charge of the warmers. This will actually indicate the level of charge of the charging case. And then lastly, to charge the case, I just charge it via this USB-C right here. It's really as simple as that. If you're interested in these, I'll put a link to where you can get them below.